So hey, hello everyone. I hope you all having a lovely day. So I got this Acer A1571 laptop to work on some of its issues, but there were multiple of those, but they have been all fixed now. But this small little keyboard connector was the one that was the most hard and that took most of my time to repair this laptop. So this connector was ripped off from its place and just leaves 26 ripped off copper traces or pads as well you want to say. Now to repair this laptop I had to recreate all these traces by following the remaining traces and recreate all and soldering these 0.1 millimeter wire to all those 26 dip traces and then soldering all these 26 wire to the microscopic pins of these connectors. And if you want to see how small it is, just 1/3 of my finger is all it is. So after doing all of this work and then placing it back on its plates by putting some two component rigid adhesive, the biggest question is there is that it works or not. So let's say, and the answer is yeah, damn, it works. Every single one of those. It was the maxed hard. Now a laptop that was around unfixable, now it's fixed. Hope you all have a long day, my friends.